I'm Ivana Graham. I'm the author of Dyslexia Toolkit. And today I'm answering the question, why did you write a book on dyslexia when there are already tens of thousands of them out there? The reason is actually pretty simple. It is that I needed a book and I couldn't find it. It had to do with my daughter Alta, who was extremely dyslexic and dysgraphic, and whose story I'm sure many of you will resonate with. In first grade, the teacher said she was uneducable. The principal said she'd have to be in a very special class. She couldn't be mainstreamed. And the counselor said she could learn to wipe tables with 12 years of practice. So it didn't seem like we could do much worse than that, so we pulled her out to homeschool her, but I didn't have a clue what to do. I ended up going back to school and getting a master's degree in special education, focusing, of course, on dyslexia. Well, that turned out well. Alta now has a doctorate in music, and she has a master's in computer science, and she's working in orbital dynamics. So a happy ending, but at first I was really up against the wall because the tools that I was told would work for dyslexic children simply didn't. And I found that although there are tens of thousands of books out there on using multisensory phonics and the Orton-Gillingham techniques, and there are tons of books out there on successful dyslexics and how they've used their dyslexic strengths to do incredible things, I realized there wasn't any book that very simply just gave techniques that parents and teachers could use to focus on dyslexic strengths for learning to read. It seemed like all the books focused on dyslexic weakness and phonemic awareness. None of them took advantage of the dyslexic strengths. So at one point, Alta and I decided somebody needs to put this in a book. We've been using it to teach other kids to read. It's very, very successful when you use dyslexic strengths. It's a very happy process, and we wanted other people to know, because we can't go out and teach every single child to read, but most children have an adult in their life who could do that if they just had the tools. And that's what this book is about.